tapioca with me. So here is our properly washed tapioca. We are adding water to it to be soaked overnight. Okay, so this is what a soaked tapioca looks like overnight, soft and ready to be cooked. Okay, so we also shredded our coconut. So this is what the coconut looks like. You can decide to make it bigger, but I love it this way. In a boiling water, we added our overnight soaked tapioca. So to taste, we added some pinch of salt to taste, and we gave it a stir for a while. We added in there our shredded coconut. Then we added little sugar to taste as well. So this is what the final outcome looks like. Join me. Would you try this? Thank you for watching.